Take a look at some of the big movers of the day. First up, we got to take a look at Lulu closing sharply in the green, up nearly 13%. The company beating fourth quarter earnings expectations and offering upbeat guidance for the fiscal year. Wall Street also liking what they saw in this report. Citi upgrading the stock today to a buy from neutral analysts. They are saying that the company is, quote, checking all the boxes. Dave, I exchanged some emails with Adrienne Yee from Barclays, and she was saying her quarter to date checks, what they're seeing right now in the current quarter, is very, very strong. So really reiterating, backing up the guidance that we got from Lulu after the bell last night. Lots of worry going into this report about whether or not they were going to be able to deliver, given the fact that we've seen a pullback in consumer spending. But doesn't look like they're seeing it, at least not too much.
High-end consumer, still spending, still traveling, and Lulu benefits from that. There's some stuff. It's a good report, but a $500 million essentially hole on Mirror, which was clearly now a terrible buy. The inventory levels still up 50%. They got a bit of a handle on it, but still a big issue, and many feel a lot of discounting ahead because of that. And look, the bottom line is how you feel about Lululemon depends upon how you feel about the price of this stock. It is expensive, man. We talked to Morningstar analyst David Schwartz about that. Here's what he had to say.
Lululemon has a tendency to put out kind of low numbers that it can beat. And so, I think I'm going to be raising my numbers, and I think most analysts will, perhaps even above Lululemon's guidance. So it is a company that has a history of beating estimates. You look at the valuation, I do think that Lululemon is overvalued at these levels. I don't necessarily like it at this price. It often is traded at PEs over 50 at times. It's no longer that expensive, but you're still talking about a pretty high PE for a clothing company. And really, I wonder if Lululemon can continue to post these great numbers year after year.
To some of you, their clothes are too expensive, and to many investors out there, the stock is just too expensive. But not Stifel's Jim Duffy reaffirmed a buy, raised the price target to $460, which still implies 27% upside on this stock. Man, it's pricey. They continue to put out good numbers, but that is a high number to pay. It
is, and you would have to think that Lululemon will see some pullback here over the coming quarters. It's hard to imagine that we'll see that large of a rally in this stock here, at least in the next 12 months. But hey, maybe they are right. Their digital division there, sales there, digital gain at 39%. So certainly they are seeing a lot of traction in that part of the business. And taking a look at where Wall Street stands on this stock, 25 buys, only 6 holds, and 4 sells. So that really tells you many analysts see upside potential from here.
Wowza.